supporters. Follow top supporters. Norway, almost goal. Noruega quase a marcar um gol, gente. Vai canto da Noruega. Campo da Noruega agora. Pra cima, Brasil, é isso. Se querem ganhar, meu.
Marco rola! Marco rola!
Estamos no minuto 65. Ok, corte. Está a ficar quieto o meu telefone. Oh shit! Man, you dissed, man. Quase, man. I told you guys, I told you. Brazil doesn't score, Norway will score. I told you.
Norway are gonna win.
Yeah. If Brazil doesn't score, Norway will score, guys. Believe me.
You think so?
Yeah. You cannot go out with a draw, right? Neymar. No, Neymar. Vai entrar Neymar. Aí Neymar tá ali, tá aqui. Tá ali Neymar.
Double substitution for Brazil. Number 22
Neymar.
is replaced by number 10, Neymar Jr. Replaced by number 18, Neymar Santos.
Brazil with the ball. Brazil with the ball, guys. Brazil right now with the ball. Write in the chat, who you think is going to win this game, guys? Oh. Write in the chat, who you think is going to win? A lot of people saying Brazil, a lot of people say Norway. Whoa. Okay. Who is going to be the final, guys? Who do you think is going to be in the final?
Tira daí, Tisso! Bloqueia aí!
Oh, Brasil agora. Não. Ok, Norway com a bola, cuidado agora. Careful. Haaland with the ball. Ok.
Pega a perna do rola!
No. Oh, good. Bro, Norway or Brazil, I like them both. I don't know. I like them both. It's difficult. I like both. I like Norway, I like Brazil. La.
Tira a bola desse povo!
Guys, don't forget to follow me. Follow the account, follow. Yeah, don't forget to heart me as well, guys. Thank you for the roses, Juninho. Obrigado. Obrigado, Apple. Rio, obrigado também Obrigado pelos presentes. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Careful, Brazil. Defesa do guarda-redes do Brasil. Neymar is here, yes. Neymar a jogar. Neymar, Neymar.
This one here is a C. This one here is a C.
Tira!
Tá 0 a 0.
No clue what's going on.
0 a 0, guys. 0 a 0.
Tira daí, tira daí!
75, guys. 75. 75 minutes. 15 minutes left for ending. 15 minutes left for ending, guys. God bless you, everyone who is watching the stream, guys. I am trying my best to show you.
Today's attendance, 80,663.
80 mil pessoas no estádio.
Tira a bola desse
80 mil
campo!
pessoas no estádio, malta. 80 mil pessoas no estádio aqui. 19 mil pessoas a ver aqui a live, a ver aqui o jogo. Maltinha, estou a tentar o meu melhor a mostrar a gente. Muito obrigado a todos. Sigam-me. Follow me, guys. Thank you very much for the follow. Thank you for the push. Thank you for the help. Helping my account, helping my live stream. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the roses. Obrigado pelos presentinhos. We have 77 minutes left. 77.
Score 0-0. 0-0.
Norway with the ball. Norway going back. Cuidado agora com o Haaland. Cuidado agora com... Oh. Ok. I'm in the UK watching the game on the TV and you are seconds in the front. What the fuck? Yes, Mr. Viento. Live stream tudo ao máximo. Careful, guys. Careful with Norway. Careful. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Temos aqui Neymar no jogo. Neymar. I am from Portugal, guys. I am from Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo. Portugal, yes. Thank you very much for...
Substitution.
Okay,
Number 8,
substitution.
Bruno Guimarães, replaced by number 2, Ederson Silva.
Ok, Bruno Guimarães sai e entra Ederson Silva, gente. Ederson Silva coming in. Bruno goes out. 20k people watching. Thank you very much for being here, guys. 20k. Yeah.
Tira!
Oh my god. No! E agora Noruega! Noruega a marcar o golo! Noruega a marcar o golo!